Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings and tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and tap on delete option. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then go to users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and click on restore, and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs and other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings, then select update system software. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts, go down and click other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. For that, highlight Jurassic World Evolution 3 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Jurassic World Evolution 3 game again and then check if the error is resolved. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So if this issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link it is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.